Welcome to my channel at Happily Ever Yachty. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Hello from Juneau, Alaska. I'm so excited. Hopefully, God willing, everything goes well and the weather is fine and it's not super cloudy because I'm going on a helicopter today to land on the Glacier. So I'm taking you along. I'm super excited. It is cold. I'm out here only in my sweater, but I have my big jacket that I will be using. And after that excursion, I'm going to be doing this. Let me show you. Let me see if you can see it. How cool is that? So pray for me, you guys. And hopefully the clouds clear up because I know we're not landing anywhere if it looks like that. Okay guys, it looks like it's happening. It's raining and very, very cold, but it's not windy. So we're going on our helicopter tour. And I'm getting on the bus now. And this is the bus we're taking.
Juneau is known as the Gold Belt because there's a 110-mile stretch of land that's gold rich. They're still doing mining in this area. Across the water is the Douglas Island, which is part of the city and borough of Juneau. But behind it is another island, a larger island called Admiralty Island. Also known as Juneau, the fortress of the bears, because it has the highest concentration of brown bear in the world.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Never go behind the back of the doors. In an emergency, there are two exits on the AS-350. These are the two large doors located on either side of the helicopter. The door handles are located at the rear of each door. To open, push the door handle down towards the floor of the aircraft.
Here we just got Glacier boots. Let's went over our boots. Very cool. Hey guys, we're about to get on the helicopter. Super excited.
Okay, your headset's right behind us. Right here? Yep. All right, well, you guys have a good time.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous.
You got the video of this, right?
Huh?
You got
Yeah.
video of this, right?
Yeah. You guys want to say hello? We're doing it.
killing it.
Look, glacier water. Sorry, I can't take it home to you, sea otter. But here we are on a glacier. Amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna taste some glacier water from my sea otter who wanted some.
Deep crevice there. Oh, that's a deep one that opened. That's a good picture, actually.
Actually, after this cruise, we might need it though. So has anybody ever been on top of a glacier before?
No!
Never. Cool, me neither. Well, it's pretty awesome. Most people like to think of a glacier as they see it on National Geographic, which is typically the face, that front side, the toe of some glacier out in the ocean, breaking off, calving off icebergs. Super blue thing, right? And so that's not where we're at. Absolutely not what's happening. But we're out here. There's a lot of different things going on top of our glaciers. We got running rivers. We got a lot of rocks sinking in. Like I said, watch your step. We got lots of holes. We got running rivers, tunnels underneath us somewhere right now. All these running rivers will make their way down to the bottom. We got all these large moraines with all these rocks hanging out. We got this fun blue color, this weird white color, all this dirt hanging out. So we're going to talk about all of it as we go along. If you guys have any questions at all, Stefan and I are really great with all this knowledge, so just go ahead and ask away. And since we do have people that are in different helicopters, we're going to stick around. As we're wandering around out towards the river and moraine, please make sure that you guys are paying attention to where your feet are going. You don't have to exactly hang right next to us, but you can't go wandering off on your own either. So we'll give you a little bit of leeway to go check out some of these fun colors and the pools and things. And once we get into the moraine, you can't just go running off without us.
It feels so weird, guys, walking on ice. It's so cool. Oh. Look at that.
Where it was actually created way up there at the Fern, where it starts, and then moving 100 to 150 feet per year, and then it melts and becomes this stream. It's been frozen in place for over 350 years before it got here. So it's like drinking from the past. In fact, Stefan has been drinking out of these types of rivers for over 95 years.
True. Been doing this job for a while.
I want to drink some of this water for my sea otter because he wanted to drink glacier water. Oh my God, that's delicious.
Full of minerals, Yadi.
Yeah, it is.
The fountain of youth.
More than I do. I go from town to town with these tours. I don't stick around in one town much.
Got it.
The retreat, yes, it is retreating. It's also sliding down slope. It's breaking off, so it's breaking off more than it's retreating. It's breaking off more than what is replacing it by sliding down, so it is retreating. But like I said, the most loss is happening through sublimation, which is just straight evaporation, going from a solid into a vapor without ever even turning into that liquid process. So as we're wandering through here, we can find all sorts of different examples of all of these rocks lifting up. We've got what looks like some termite mounds out here as well, one right behind us. That's another example of how the glacier is acting with the sun screen. So if you walk up to this guy, you can see that it's a very, very, very thin layer of dirt. There's all ice underneath it. It's acting like a sun screen. So we're gonna kind of let you guys loose here and explore the marine.
Yes, we got to take pictures. Gato, how was the flight?
It was good.
Right? It was so cool. Whew. It was hard to get here, but look at this. How beautiful. I wish I had a cup because I would be drinking like crazy right now. That water was so delicious. back. We're safe. That was the most amazing experience I've ever had. Highly suggest doing the helicopter, landing on the glacier. You won't regret it. Worth every single penny. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. God bless.